How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Shaner's Mechanic Life. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your stock F-150 to include the tailgate lift assist from the factory. Part number is FL3Z-99406A10-A. This kit comes with everything you need. And why I chose this kit is the aftermarket ones, at least the ones I've seen, they all mount on the outside of the tailgate. The factory one actually mounts in behind the passenger side tail light. Everything is hidden, nothing to get banged up on when you're loading your truck. So anyway, let's see what the kit comes with. Got your lift cylinder, and a new tailgate hinge. Now the instructions state it wants you to actually remove the entire tailgate, but that's not necessary in my opinion. As long as you got someone you trust that can hold the tailgate. And on the bumper, make sure you put a nice soft towel, or else you will be scratching the paint, and nobody wants to do that. So if you just take your time, get someone to hold the tailgate for you, it's a very easy setup. Anyway, here we go. So first thing you want to do is remove your anti-theft tailgate lock. The key for that is usually in your glove compartment. It's pretty straightforward. It's basically just a hose clamp. So put it on a nut driver and undo it. So once you get that out of your way, you lift the tailgate up about 45 degrees, and you can see now it's in a position where you can pull this side out. That's where your friend comes in handy to hold the tailgate. So I lifted the tailgate out, got a nice soft towel on the bumper so that way your paint doesn't get scratched. Take this piece of plastic off, and then you got two, the towel here, as you see a little bit better, two T50 Torx sockets you gotta take out. Now just word of advice, these are Loctited in from the factory, so they're going to be a fight to get out. I've already had them out doing a previous job, so it's going to be a little bit easier coming out. But first you want to move your tail light assembly. It's the 8mm socket. Take out the top bolt and the bottom bolt and pull the light assembly straight back. Just hang it down. When you look inside the fender well, it's already got the mounting point for the cylinder. Everything you need is already there. So now all you gotta do is take out your old hinge assembly, and like I said earlier, it's Loctited in from the factory, so it's gonna be a bit of a fight. So like I said earlier, it's a T50 Torx. Take your hinge out, and now when you install the new one, I find if you put it on, follow the paint outline, your adjustment's going to be pretty much bang on. So now you take your new hinge assembly. If you're picky, you can paint it to match your body color, but just for this video I'm just going to do the install, and I'll do the painting on it later. Now it may take a little bit of jiggling wiggling to get it in there. gonna put it in there and twist it around. Eventually, you get it in. Now before you put your bolts back in, I give it a little dab of Loctite. You don't need to use the red stuff. Just a little dab of blue will do you. And then get your bolts started. Run them in, top and bottom. I don't take them all the way in. Just when that way, once it starts to snug up, you can do your final adjustment. Like I said, move it till you line up with your paint lines and you won't have any alignment issues. So now you got your hinge lined up and your bolts torqued down. You can see there's the arm. Just position it in a way where you can put your tailgate back in. So now you gently lift your tailgate up off the towel. Oh. Don't want to forget that. Like I said, gently lift your tailgate up off the towel. Slide it into place. Now you can lower it. Now it's time to put the cylinder in. The cylinder is very easy to put in. It's got these spring-loaded clips, top and bottom, so they just push over the ball and clip on. Now you want to make sure you install it so the boot's facing up. This is very easy. Just reach down, clips on the ball. Now watch your tail lighting doesn't get in the way. Now to line up the ball, I found it's easier. Just lift your tailgate up till it lines up. And it clips right on. Now, before you put everything back together, just make sure you don't run into anything. And it lowers nice and slowly. Now you can go ahead and put your tail light in, put your tailgate lock back on. And now your tailgate has tailgate lift assist. No more slamming tailgate. Once again, part number is FL3Z-99406A10-A. Like I said, I bought this kit because there's nothing externally mounted. It's all tucked away in behind the passenger side tail light. Hope this video helped one of you guys. You can install this yourself. You don't have to make a trip to the dealer to get it installed. Just want to end the video by thanking one of my new subscribers, Andrew Victor. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate all my subscribers. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Hit that like button and subscribe. I got more videos coming. Anyway, have a good night everybody, and thanks for watching.